What you should consider when doing a builder loan. Hi, I'm Amber Coleman with Guild Mortgage. And honestly, I love builder loans, but here's something that you need to look out for. So anytime you're going to a builder to buy a house, they're going to always tell you, no, we have our own inside lender. We have our own inside lender. You need to get qualified through them. They'll give you a better deal. They'll pay your closing costs. They'll do this. They'll do that. It almost is like they're selling the world to you, right? When you're buying a builder house. So here's what you just need to be cautious of, okay? When they're offering all of this to you to be able to do their loan through them, most of the time the builder owns the lender, or the lender owns the builder, or there's an affiliated agreement between the two. So if you go to one of the big nationwide builders that are out there, they almost always own their own mortgage company. So what that means is that if they say, yeah, we're going to pay $8,000 closing costs if you go through our lender, that's awesome. But what happens is they're taking that $8,000 because the one entity owns both sides, or they have ownership in each other. They're taking that $8,000 and they're raising the price of your house. Or what they're doing is they're taking that $8,000 and they're adding it to your interest rate. So one thing to watch out for when you're looking at houses, or when you're buying a house that's a builder home and you're having to go through their loan officer, watch the rates. Like, shop the rates around, because their rates tend to be higher than the going rate. And what happens on the interest rate is that if you make the rate a little bit higher, there's more money given back that you can apply to closing costs. So a lot of times that higher rate would be applied to your closing costs on a builder loan. So that's something that you're not really getting something for free if they're making your rate higher to give you back that closing cost. So one of the main things is watch the interest rates on it. The other thing to watch out for is a lot of times when you're buying through a builder and they're saying, go through our lender, we'll pay this, we'll pay that, we'll pay this. The minute you call the lender, there's not a lot of communication on there. There's sometimes a lot of frustration when you're doing that too. So make sure you always have a backup lender working with you, just in case you can't get a hold of somebody, or they're not returning your calls, or they're not giving you this, or they're not locking in it when the time is necessary, so that you don't miss out. Make sure that you always have another lender that you're talking to. I mean, this is your largest purchase that you could be making in your lifetime. So make sure that you're taken care of on the financing side with the communication that you should be getting on it. So anyway, if you have any questions, if you need to look at different rates, if you need to even get a game plan on buying a house to go looking at properties, I'm happy to help you with it. I'm happy to run a game plan for you so that we can get you in your house. Like, the main thing is, let's get you in your house. Rent is going too high to feel comfortable renting right now. Let's get you in a house where your payment is the same amount every month and you can pay that thing off as fast as you want to. Financial freedom is the goal, right? Anyway, I would love you if you liked and subscribed to this page, and I hope you have a great day.